What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the ROIDMI self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop, and it actually has a pretty good mop as well. This is one of a kind that actually has double action mopping. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 113.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So basically, we're going to unbox this today and show you what it could do. So here we go. Comes with this little top part on the box. Literature right there. Mopping pads. Here's the vacuum itself. There it is. Look at the back of that. Thing is massive. Look at this. It also comes with a bunch of extra bags for the self-empty base, power cord, brush for the vacuum, extra filter. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty good.
The ROIDMI EVA has smart recognition, detects obstacles, and makes a detour. It also has LDS high perception, where it has a smart detection of height to avoid being stuck under low furniture. The top has physical buttons as well so that you can control the vacuum. If you lift the top as well, it has this base where it sucks out all the dirt, hair, or whatever inside. It also has HEPA filter. ROIDMI EVA also talks to you, so that's easier to navigate. And it has a clipping brush on the side for maintenance. The bottom has the double action mop as well, which is really easy to take off and clean. The brush on the top as well for dust and hair is really easy to clip off and clean as well. So you just press these two buttons right here, the lid will come off, and then you'll be able to pull out the brush like that. And then you'll be able to clip all the hairs and dirt out of it, wash it off or whatever, and then put it back. Putting it back is really easy as well. So the brush is just Velcro put together, so it's really easy. You just put on the back like so, and then to put it back on the vacuum, all you need to do is just place it like so, and that's it. Pretty interesting self-cleaning base as well from ROIDMI EVA. It has this LED screen that tells you what's going on as of right now. Right now we are cleaning the brush inside the vacuum. It also comes with these buttons, so you don't really need the app to navigate the vacuum. The bottom also has this base part where the mop sits so that it spins and cleans the mop as it goes, and of course it sucks out all the dirt as well as it cleans the home. As we open the top lid of the self-cleaning base, it has 3 compartments. One is the dirty water tank, the middle part is where all the dirt gets sucked in, and then the right side is the clean water tank. It's really easy to empty it as well. You won't get your hands dirty at all, because when you pull this out, there you go, the top will just open and then you'll be able to clean that out. The middle dust bag you can pull out right on top here, and then it'll close it as well so that all the dirt won't come out of the bag as you pull out that. There's a filter as well inside here so that you can clean that out, because over time the dirt will go in here and it'll get dirty. Installing the dust bag is really easy as well. You just place it on there like so, and then you push that tab in and that's it. Clean water tank is really easy to pull out as well like so. So here it is. We're just gonna open this part right here, pull it out like so, and then open the lid. Really easy. Again, you're not gonna get your hands dirty. And then we're gonna place water in here. There it is. We fill it up to max, and then we'll be able to do the exact same thing. Just close the lid, clip it on, and put it back into the self-cleaning base. Right now we're just gonna download the ROIDMI app, and pretty much we're gonna register an account and add the new vacuum, ROIDMI EVA. Once we've selected the ROIDMI EVA, we're going to connect it to our network. Make sure that it's at 2.4 gigahertz or it won't work. And here it is. It's connected to our app now. We're gonna hit start experiencing and we're gonna start cleaning. The first thing it'll do is wet our mop so that it's ready to go when it starts to clean. Once it's done doing that, it'll just go and say start cleaning.
Start cleaning.
Here we notice on the app that it will start to map out the area and it actually tells you where it has been. So that's really good so that you can track if the vacuum actually missed some areas or not. But when we did our test here, it actually did so well. It didn't miss any spot at all, even underneath the dining room tables. Really cool. ROIDMI EVA also has a rated power of 48 watts, battery capacity of 5200 milliamp hour, charging time of 4 hours, runtime of 120 minutes, cleaning map area is 180 meters. It has an overcome obstacle height of 20 or 15 millimeters. And then there's the voice command as well using Alexa and Google. The base station is 850 watts. And the tank capacity is 4 liters. It also has fall detection so it won't fall off the edge. Really cool. It also cleans on a zigzag formation so it makes sure that it won't miss any spots whatsoever. That is really special for the high end like these, the ROID EVA, that you don't see on the cheaper vacuums. The edging on this vacuum is really good as well. And as you can see, the mop is double action. So it'll actually move around instead of those cheaper versions of vacuums where it just slides right in. This is the progress as well of the vacuum. As you can see, the white lines are the areas where it cleaned so that you could be able to see where it missed. It's still not done cleaning. But we're gonna show you the features on the app. On the app, you'll be able to see the map like so, and you'll be able to build virtual walls or areas that you don't want the vacuum going into. Like I have this baby mat on this area right here, so we're just gonna put a virtual wall here so that the vacuum don't go up here because I don't want the mat getting wet. You can also change cleaning modes, like there's the mop only, vacuum only, or combination of the two. You can also change the sweeping action of the vacuum. If it's really loud, you can put it on turbo or the quiet mode. I usually have it just in quiet mode and it's enough for me. So 30 minutes has passed and as you can see, it's able to clean throughout the areas that I allowed it to clean, and the area that I put virtual wall, it didn't go there, so that's really good. It worked really well. If there's a new version of the software, you can just do the over the air software update, so that's really good as well. You can also pick and choose what sequence the vacuum will clean. So for example, first the kitchen or the dining room or whatever. There's also indicators that tells you when to clean certain parts of the vacuum. You can also customize the voice of EVA. You can also customize the base station and how much it cleans the vacuum, or how much mop or water is gonna go to the mop. Change how many times it goes back to the base to wash the mop, or how long the drying time you want. You can also spot mop by remote controlling the vacuum from the app. This is one of the first vacuums that we've tried out on this channel and reviewed, and I am super amazed of what it could do. The mopping action is amazing. The vacuum itself is great as well. You can clean even the corners and the sides of the baseboards. The base station is really easy to use as well. The dirty water tank and the clean water tank is quite amazing as well. Definitely recommend for people who are looking to have a great mop for their flooring, and also a great vacuum cleaner that can clean different flooring on your homes without your hands getting dirty.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope we was able to help you on your choice on a double action mopping and self-cleaning base. This is the ROIDMI EVA. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.